Good morning, friends. This is a trade plan for 17th of September 2020. Now, yesterday, Jerome Powell did not say anything new. It's basically that they'll keep rates low for as long as required, etc. But the market didn't take it too well, and hence the US markets they came off. Now the issue is that today in the morning, uh, Asia started well, but I think all of a sudden the U.S. futures have collapsed about 200 odd points, and that has led Asia to move lower, and SGX for some reason is now down 95 points. Now, generally speaking, if you get this sort of gap down, the first instinct should be to try to buy, and that will be the advice that if we open anywhere near this 11 500 520 type of zone, you should try to buy, because in my view that will be a overstretched position from where the odds of the market coming back to the mean are likely to be high. So basically that is the only strategy, because you are in an expiry day. Generally expiries are range bound. I would think that this is not a trend reversal, but the first move should be to try to buy, because I don't think he has harmed liquidity in any sort of fashion. So prolonged downside may not happen. So you should try to buy into this decline, although it looks a bit exaggerated right now, but be that as it may, if this is where the market opens, uh, you should try to buy both on Nifty as well as, I would think, on the Bank Nifty. Uh, in fact, several of the pharma stocks like Dr. Reddy, etc., can be you can use this decline to buy into them. Overall, the financials stocks like HDFC Bank, which just started to move yesterday, they are giving you a quote unquote buying opportunity. So this would be the view broadly, that this could be an early morning decline which gets bought into, because I would be worried or think of this as a sustainable decline if he had changed any sort of liquidity parameter. But since he hasn't changed, I would think this would be a buying opportunity. Obviously, everything happens with a stop. So keep some sort of 50-point stop from your buying price, and that should work. But again, the trend remains strong, and these sort of sudden declines uh, should be bought through futures or through options. Individual stocks, I think the metal stocks, today you could have declines there. So something like a Hindalco or Bajaj Auto, it's possible to buy. The pivot for the day is about 11 579. So you are going to open way below the pivot, and in a bullish market, if you open below S1, that is often a point to buy. So as soon as US futures, if they recover, you are likely to find recoveries in most other markets. So that would be it for right now. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.